Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Chatbot AI Nova. You will click on settings. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Chatbot AI Nova. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.